this is how you create a 2D array in PowerShell. First of all, why is it called a jagged array? It's called jagged array because it can have different lengths. So as you can see here, the number of elements or columns in this is higher than the one in here. And you can see I'm using the @ symbol here to create the array. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns in this one. Here we only have 3 columns and we have 3 rows. So this is known as a 2D array because we can access the elements like this. That's the first dimension and that's the second dimension. So this is rows and this is columns. So if I run this code and just show you what this looks like. So as you can see here, we've got the following output. We've got output of 1 here, and this is because it's referring to the first row and the first column, which is this. And then we've got the output of 7 here. And the reason we got 7 is we are referring to the first row and the second element. Now it is 0 index based. So this is row 0 and this is row 1. And I'm accessing the second column. So again, 0 index based. So it's 0 and 2, which gives you a 7. So this is how you work with 2D arrays in PowerShell. But remember, they are jagged arrays. So they can have different lengths in terms of number of elements within here. There is a way to create a true 2D array, which would mean that they would have the same length in terms of columns and same number of rows. That would be known as a true 2D array, and we'll cover that in another video. But jagged arrays are really flexible because you can do things like this, or you can make them the same length by just adding another element in here, and then they would be the same length.